Hey everyone, just gonna make a quick video to show you how to get your real account set up with FX Choice Pro. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna go and type in FX Choice on Google. Now that you're on the website, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click Create Account, and you're gonna find the Pro account. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click Open MT4 Pro account. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fill in your information here. Okay, now you're gonna click Open a live account. And you're just gonna click Close on this. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna select Accounts, and you're gonna select MT4 Pro. Currency is going to be in USD, and leverage is going to be 200. Now you're just going to tick the boxes and click Open Account. Awesome. Now this is going to be emailed to you as well. So when you're going back to MetaTrader 4, this is going to be the login and password to access your live account and connect it to MetaTrader 4. So this is going to be on your email. And also, when you're going into settings, instead of clicking open a demo account, you're just going to click log into existing account and type in FX Choice Pro Live, and you're just going to type in your login and your password to connect it to your trading application. Okay, the next step is to get your account verified. So what you're going to do is you're going to click verify your profile. And what you're going to need is a driver's license, passport, or some sort of ID. And as well, they may actually ask you for a proof of residence or address. So having a bank statement, a credit card statement, or a cell phone bill, any of those will do. Once your account's verified, all you're going to do is you're going to click deposit, and you'll see different methods to deposit funds into your account. Two of the most popular ways is to load money through Bitcoin, and you can do that through an app called ShakePay, or you can use a credit card and do that through a company called Vload. So we actually have two tutorial videos to follow on how to actually load your money through those two processes. So you can definitely check those out in the videos below.